Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the memory modules, loosen the screw securing the side cover and lift the cover off the system. Find and disconnect the speaker cables. Unlatch the speaker and remove it. Identify and unlatch the fan to flip it out of the system. Disconnect the cables and remove it. Find and unlatch the memory modules to remove them. To reinstall the memory modules, relatch them to the system. Reconnect the fan cables and latch it back to the system. Relatch and reconnect the speaker cables. Secure the side cover on the system. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.